Hey everybody, how's it going? We just got to San Antonio Raceway. The C5 is totally stock right now, and I'm really curious to see what it's going to run in the quarter mile. We've already passed through tech. Everybody's here. We're going to start heading that way and see what we can do. I literally haven't been to a drag strip in I think 3 years. Kind of nervous. I don't really remember what I'm doing. I guess I'm going to try to pick the right lane and get in line and see what we can do. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the staging beams right now. It looks like I got lined up to a cammed C6 Z06. So should be pretty interesting to see how that goes. Alright boys, we're almost up. I haven't done a burnout in so long, never in this car. Oh man, oh my god, I can't believe I stalled on the lodge. That is so funny. Oh, ah! Perfect. Oh, I know my ET is totally trash now, but I am curious what the mile an hour was. I think that'll help kind of tell me where that pass would have been. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Of course. Of course. Oh, dang it. All right, let's see what time I ran. With that stall, I guarantee you it was at least like a 17. Thank you. Oh no. I ran an 18 with a 6-second 60 foot. Yes! Trapped 106. So assuming I can leave, that should be a low 13, hopefully. I'm just gonna jump straight back in line and hot lap it really quick. Okay, second pass. Let's see if I can launch without stalling this time. I think that would help. Here we go. Shaky on the start. I probably should have rode the clutch for just a hair longer. But definitely better than my previous 16-second pass. I will say that. Thank you. All right, 1368 at 107 with a 228/60 foot. Yikes. I'm just getting right back in line. I'm just gonna keep hot lapping it for probably a couple more runs to see if I can get some good average times ran to give us a good baseline of what this thing runs as it is and my driving ability. And then once I do the heads and the camshaft, see where we're at then. So bad on that launch. Ugh. Holy wheel hop. Other than that, it felt really good. I think that so far has been the cleanest pass, start to finish, like burnout, stage, line up. I feel really good about my reaction time, but that doesn't really affect my ET or trap speed. Let's see what my slip was. And then after this pass, I'm gonna park the car for a little bit. After hot lapping it 3 times, go park and hang out. Thank you, sir.
There you go, sir.
All right, 1345 at 107. So I cut 2/10 off that pass compared to my last one. I'm gonna go park the car. All right, so 2/160, 13.4 to the quarter at 107. It is the day after going to the racetrack last night with my C5 FRC. Last night at Best Pass, I only did 3 passes. The first one I stalled on, which you saw. The second one did a little better, ran a 13.6. And then the third and final pass, I ran a 13.45 at 107. And that's kind of where we all thought this car was gonna be, you know, totally stock C5, nothing done to it yet. And however, that's where this is gonna change in the next video. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already saw that I've got some new Go Fast parts for this car. And today, or the next video, you will see me tearing this engine apart and getting to work on this, try to make this car a little bit faster. See you guys later.